Yeah.
Okay.
Okay then. Yeah, it has started. And today, as all know, we have a topic about technology. If someone has some points that it is harmful for us or it is in which term beneficial, so you guys can, you know, tell all the facts and things which is in our favor of technology or against technology. So this is the topic for today. So now, who wants to start? They can start. Maybe Jalaluddin or Nabil, you know,
Okay,
Ayan.
Nabil,
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
Nabil can start.
Hmm.
Okay, go
Nabil,
Sure.
ahead.
please. Nabil can start.
Okay. Yeah, so if I talk about technology, so firstly we have to know technology is playing a vital role, especially in our day-to-day life. You can say technology is an oxygen for us because it's in this
Mm-hmm.
era we can't live without technology. I think it's really, really so hard for us to survive without technology. But the another thing is how can we use technology? If we use technology in a good way, so definitely it will work good. But if we use technology in a bad way, so it will definitely harm our future as well. So you can say technology is a look like a knife. Through knife we can save a person, and through a knife we can kill a person. So technology is look like this. So it's completely up to you how can we take, how can we see technology. If we use technology in a good way, so we can definitely change us significantly in our life, and down the line we can accomplish our goal. But if I just use technology for entertainment, so it is not gonna be helpful. So I tell you one thing that if I talk about technology, so we just focus on the thing which is like if you use technology, so you have to know, you have to acknowledge yourself that if I do something wrong, if I do something wrong, so what should I do? I will definitely harm through technology. So we have to figure out it, how can we use technology. If we use technology in a good way, we can see a significant change. And another thing, we are connecting now. So how we connect? We just use technology. So we are using technology in a good way through which we are learning something. But we can use technology in a bad manner, because there are lots of spams and hacks. People hacks the facts and many other computers on technology or viruses. It's also a kind of technology, but they use technology in a wrong way. Lots of people, uh, lots of data is killed by the pupils. So we don't do such these things. We have to use technology in a good way, and we have to learn through technology. And another thing, if we don't know technology, if we don't use technology, so we are not running with present time of life. You can say we live, we can be a background kind of people. So we have to use technology, but we have to use technology in a good way, in a good matter. And last thing is, if we figure out what is our goal, firstly we have to figure out our goal. If we know our goal, so then we have to use technology. And if you know about technology, so technology is everywhere. If you talk about religion, if you talk about history, if you talk about geography, if you talk anything, you can see a technology vital role is playing a vital role. So we have to use it in a good way, and down the line we can definitely utilize it in a good way. So that's all from my side.
Yeah. So yeah, can I start? Okay. Yeah. Commendable, a point made by Nabil Siddiqui, and it's really, really applaudable. So, and yeah, I agree with Nabil Siddiqui, whatever he has mentioned about the technology. So it has a lot of advantages and also a lot of disadvantages. So it is as Nabil Siddiqui that he mentioned that it is depend on yourself. How you taking it. So if you taking it as a in a good way, in a positive way, then it could be better for us in future. And if we consume it, and if you take it in a negative way, then it could be detrimental or pernicious for us in future. So, and there are a lot of things to learn from technology and social media. Like social media, it's like this huge, I mean, this enormous world has become like a small place just because of technology and social media. So now we can, now I mean, now you can update yourself every day, whatever happenings around the world and across your country, your surrounding. So you can grab it easily through social media or technology. So, and one more thing, it's called connectivity. So social media is helping us to connectivity. So like we are talking with each other, but we don't know everyone's background, and I mean, from which religion we are belongs to. But yeah, regardless, these things are regardless and oblivious. So regardless the your background, your social status, your religious status, so we are very familiar now. So we are sharing our thought, our opinions through this Zoom app. So it is because of technology. So it's called connectivity. So now we are in a connectivity. So and everyone, I think, from different states. So it's, how is it possible? It has possible only for technology. So, and I think there are a lot of like disadvantages also, like addiction. Like today's youth generation and mostly teenagers, uh, they are like addicted on social media or on technology. And the youth generations are like a night owl. So we love to stay up in the night time. So we don't, and it's also causes our like our health issues, a lot of health issues, like we're feeling illness because of technology, because we are excessively using it. We are using it excessively. So, and we are also become lazy and idle, because we don't because we don't like to like live technology. We want to stay with technology throughout the day. So there are also some like, but now we are using it in a positive way, as Nabil Siddiqui mentioned. There are a lot of things to learn, like, so we are improving our speaking skills and our English language. So it's only, and it is also happening just through on technology. So, and a lot of things too here. And yeah, but yeah, I know social media also destroy your reputation very easily. If someone, because if someone creating fake account by name, by helping your name, so they can destroy and ruins your reputation by creating fake news and rumors. So, and also, and like one more advantage is, suppose you are a businessman and you want to enhance your business, you want to grow your business, then you can promote your business on social media, on technology. So it can help you to grow your business easily. So, and there are a lot of disadvantages like rumors and fake news. It is really impact on us. And like yeah, and if someone are like doing wrong, some high rank officials, some high rank government officials, they are doing wrong, and they are like I mean, risk taking a bribe from the poor common people to giving something, to giving like a job opportunity or other things. So if you are like uh, vigilant person, if you are a vigilant person, then you can make the video and you can share it on the social media, and you can I mean, in social media, so the whole world will they will be know about the truth, what is authentic, what is authentic and what is like uh, uh, reliable. So there are a lot of things we can learn from technology, we can receive from technology, but it's all about like it's depend on ourselves. So yeah, it's from my side. I think there are a lot of things to explain. Okay, if I get some, then I'll try to explain a little bit more. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Okay. Can I start?
Yeah, sure, Abhinav. Abhinav, you can.
So any technology can be applied beneficially or harmful, and technology can be savior of mankind. So if we talk about trade activities, the trade activities from one country to another country became easier and faster. Simply imagine what would have happened if there was no technology. So good production was low and demand was higher with increasing population. So there are so many difficulties we have to face. So same thing goes with the medicine. Large portion of medicine has produced with the help of the technology. There were some epidemics like polio, tuberculosis, and Ebola, which would eradicate human beings if there was no such technology. Future holds technologies like artificial intelligence, which people think that will false human beings. But I think that artificial intelligence there is very less chances of people being eradicated with the help of by the artificial intelligence. I think people will use artificial intelligence for their own assistance, and intelligence for the like they had used other technologies, they use artificial intelligence. So I think every coin has two sides. If we use technologies in a right way, it will prove very useful. So this is from my side.
Ayan, hello. You can tell your point. I think Ayan is not listening to us. Okay, then I'm going to tell from my side. Okay, when it comes about technology, everyone knows the importance of the technology. Okay, because the main thing that we are actually doing just now, it is a part of technology, and it will increase more in coming days. So there are numbers of things that I can talk, and there are which in which ways technology is helping to us. So first of all, I want to start like our all the members had told us that everything has two sides. Every coin has, there are two sides. So yeah, technology as well, and everything. We are not only talking about technology, everything. So when it comes out technology, the main threat for every people. So I'm going to particular talk in a digital market. Okay, like we have totally. I mean, we mostly are now dependent on digital payment, right? So with the help of digital payment, it is very easy. If I want to send my money to my friend like you, so it is very easy from this place to send. Now I like there is all around lockdown, so we can't go in a banks or any places. So it is very easy to, if there is a balance in my account, I can send to Nabil or Abhinav or Jilaluddin. In say, so it is a best part of it. Okay, but in the same hand there are many people, we can say bad people, and who are using technology in a bad way, in a, for their own benefit, and they are trying to uh, loot the people. I mean, they are trying to cheat with people, and everyone knows how, because there are many cases which has come within year 2 years, that from many people's account money has been stolen, money has been withdrawn, and this kind of things happens, and it is also a part of technology that people are using. So in this term I want to say one thing, that yeah, people will use in a good way, in a bad way. It is their personal thing, that how they are using. But it is our responsibility, it is our own responsibility. We have to know about it, we have to know all the things about it, that if someone is calling us, if they are asking about our mobile number, our information and our OTP as well, because OTP is a main important thing, because people now they have your number, they have your account, but if you are not giving your OTP, I don't think it is very easy to withdraw money from your account, or even though from your sometime debit card, because this happens with everyone. The people they are trying to cheat you, they are stealing money from your account. They have a kind of talk that they will try to you know you will start to believe on him, that yeah, maybe he's trying to say everything right. So you will say everything, you will give him all the information whatever they are asking. And this is how people got they are they become the part of fraud. They are frauded by the other people. So in this term we must have a knowledge, and like we are a young people, we know the actual fact that how we can use this thing in a better way. So now it is our responsibility to maybe sometime educate our parents, people who don't know actually about it, who don't know the actual use of debit card, credit card, or digital payment, and what's the precaution that they need to be care out. Okay, because money is the most important thing, because some people have just saving their money, 1 lakh rupees in their account, and just by one single mistake in a 1 second, all the money is stolen. It is very bad thing that is only possible through technology. So the same thing, like everyone knows, whenever we ride a bike, whenever we ride a car, there are chances that we are gonna die just because of accident, but still we ride. We just because of we have a fear, we know that it is gonna be in a bad way because people are dying outside. We don't refuse to ride. We go, we use our stairs to climb. Sometimes people fall from their stairs, from their terrace, and this is how they injured themselves. But still we don't stop doing anything. So in the same thing, in the same hand, we have to use technology, because now I'm going to tell you the best part of it. It has enhanced our life. It has enhanced, and it will enhance in many more ways. The current situation, uh, uh, I'm a very fond of AI kind of technology. Okay, because now AI can AI can think a little bit. At least it can use if their own brain, so they can come up through a many solutions which we can never assume. The simple thing, nowadays there is a pandemic, that is COVID-19. Everyone knows about it. So if there were any kind of machine that can think about it, so maybe it can find a cure about it, because it is beyond a human life. Because human takes, they experiment, then they do that, then they understand, because sometimes things are very difficult and very critical. It is not easy to solve. So in this part AI comes and they can play a role. In another field, we know now today's people have started using synthetic leg, robotic arms, all those things, and robotics legs. So it is helping also those people who are crippled, who can't walk, who can't use their hand. So, and it is going on in our world, and it is a part of, like, it has started. It is not kind of it will be, it has started. And another thing has also started, self-driving car. It is only possible through AI and other technological things. Because if we are totally, if there is something like self-driving car, so the chances of accident will be less, because it will use its own brain in an efficient way, which people can't do. Because whenever we have a kind of situation, we got stressed too much, and we have a confusion that what should we do just now, you know so that's why I think we had to rely totally in that technology. Okay. And the another fact, when it comes about technology, people tell us that, yeah, just because of technology we are going to lose our job. We are going to lose our job. So yeah, definitely it is sometimes difficult for those people who don't want to improve their self. Like, when there were no any computer, when there was everything is going on a paper. So people told us that I mean, at that time, people assume if there will be computer, we are going to lose our job. But you know, after coming computer, there are many jobs that are also available. You know, just because of computers, and people who wants to excel their skill from paper to computer, they are also working. You know, so this is not like it is going to look like you know snatch your job. It is going to give you some another option. It is going to be help you in a better way. Like there will be self-driving car, but you can be also in that seat. But if there is a self-driving car, it will help you. It will enhance your capacity. It will enhance your uh, mental power, so you can work in a better way. You can focus on something more, which you know, because our brain, we are very precious. Our brain is very precious. Instead of using it in a that way which can any machine do or any other people do, you know, so we can use in this term all the machines. And also in a medical field, in a transport system, in a banking sector, digital payment, we know all. Now every single places there are AI has been started to use machine learning, all those parts. And in agriculture also, you know, in agriculture also, and in business, the prediction method works a lot, because whenever we use AI and machine learning in a, you know, analytical part, it is called a part of data science. It increases your business as well. And the another thing, like a, a country who has a great technology, they are king of the world. You know, we can take an example of America, USA. We can take an example of China. This is why he has so powerful. He has a technology, you know, not because he has a kind of population or manpower. We have also manpower, but sometimes we lack in a technology. You know, we have everything for now, because we are not too much skilled about that. Not people are aware about that. They don't want to do just, many people want to go in a kind of job where they have security. Sometimes I had also a mindset like that. So the thing is, the country, if they have if they are dependent on technology, they can rule the world sometime, and they can help in many ways. We can take an example of Israel. You know, it has only 80 lakh people. 80 lakh people, you can understand, you know, our UP has 20 crore, more than like a population of Pakistan. You know, it is as the same. But Israel has only 80 lakh people, and no one country are, you know, kind of dare to fight with Israel. You know, because they have their own power, they have their own military power, and the most important thing, they have their own technology power. You know, many most you know, giant technology company, Apple, Google, and you know, every company wants to work there. You know, they have their own many constructions in Israel just because of technology. So I think technology is a great part, and instead of looking it as a eye of, you know, hated, or it is taken it will take our job, we have to we started to work with it and try to use from it as much as we can. So this is the thing that I want to share in terms of technology.
Okay, then anyone else?
Yeah, Nabil, you can stop the recording, so we'll, you know, discuss something more. And
No, no, no. On this, yeah, on this topic, we can is
exactly, exactly.
we can explain a little bit more. So if you Nabil, yeah, if Nabil, you want to tell something more, then you can tell. And yeah, I want to also, I also want to
Yeah,
explain.
we can have a we we can have a kind of cross questions also, if someone is asking something, or you know, if they have, if you have your own views. Abhinav, you can also, if you are there, if you are listening
So
us.
Nabil, Nabil, would you like to share something more?
Nabil, you have muted
Nabil,
your.
Nabil, you're muted. Yeah, Nabil,
Okay,
you're
Abhinav.
okay. Okay.
Yeah, I want to say one thing of technology, that you know, through technology if you are unemployed or if you are not doing any kind of job, so through technology you can show yourself, you can demonstrate yourself, because if you have any kind of
Mm-hmm.
talent or any kind of creativity, so it's a good platform. There are kinds of platform where you can show your personality, you show your talent as well as your creativity. So it's also a good way. Because but another thing, like TikTok or PUBG, mostly youngsters, mostly youth, they are not using technology in a good way. I think they just misusing of technology, because we are just focusing of entertainment. We are not thinking about learning, because through technology we have to main focus on learning, not for entertainment. Because if you just think about entertainment, so there are kinds of other sources available through which we can entertain ourselves. But if we think about entertain through technology, so it is also harmful as our physical fitness. Because in technology we have to use our cell phone or laptop, so it also harmful for our eyes or our overall personality or our body. So we don't think we have to entertain through technology. Yeah, you can use, so you can utilize, but very few times. But you can do any other things for that. That's it. So that's all for me, because I think only 9 minutes remaining. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, sure.
Okay, a little bit. I want to also elaborate that. Yeah, I think lots of things, explicitly elaborated by Dhruvo and Nabil Siddiqui. So I just want to say that we can, spread positivity also. We can spread awareness through internet or through technology. So and we can learn a lot of things. Like if you take it as a education institution, then it would be more better for us. So yeah, you can learn everything whatever you want to learn through internet. You don't need to go to a coaching center or any other institution. So everything is available on internet. So
Yeah,
and
right.
right. So and there are like suppose and we can use internet in a noble causes. Like
Mm-hmm.
suppose you need a blood. Suppose you are in a serious situation. Suppose your family member they need a blood. So and it's very rapidly. I mean in very few time. So whatever you can. So I mean so that time we can share on social media that I need a blood. If anyone uh, will to donate his so donating blood. So this is also in a noble cause. And if you are working on a like NGO or any social activities NGO, so then you can promote that NGO that we are working for the NGO and it is for only human being. So we can use it in a noble causes and in like for better things. So yeah, there are a lot of things we can use it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Abhinav, you want to add something?
Yes. Okay. Actually, technology is good, but we should not totally depend on technology.
Mm-hmm.
As you know, if you have to go a place which is just 400 or 5 meters away from your home, so you should not use just bike.
Exactly.
And
Yeah.
in this way, you can also in this way you can curb the dependency as well as you can save the fuel energy. So you should
Sure.
not totally
Exactly.
depend on technology. We should use technology when required.
Hmm. Sure, it is, I think, a mentality and mindset of all the people. It is all up to us. It is all up to us that how we are using, because if we have to keep ourselves also fit, so we don't rely everything. We have to still work. I'm not telling that if there will be a technology, so we have to stop working. I'm telling we will work in smartly. We will work in that part which is actually important. Now, just tell me one thing. You know, if whole day if whole day we are working just to uh, cooking food and all those things which are actually important for our living, if we are working on our, like, the one thing that always, I mean, people tell, be self dependent in all the work. We can't, we can't. Why? I'm telling you, just imagine if we will start to if we will start to making clothes by ourselves, kind of called like if we have to make our own cloth every single day, it will take more time, you know, more than 5 6 hours. If you are going to make for yourself single t-shirt, isn't it, it will take, right? And if we are again going in a farm and we are growing you know, kind of all those things, all seeds by ourselves, because we have to become a self dependent, we are doing all the things which we have to do you know, at our home. So actually we have a time to do any productive thing. We don't have time, we can't do anything, you know, about that. So this is how I'm telling. For this part there are many things which can work in this part, you know. There may be machine, or maybe there are people who are working. So one people will work in all these fields, and all the other people, they can work productively and in that term, which is really important. I'm going to give you a simple example. We al- always told there are many deprived people, you know, outside who are not educated. But when it comes about higher caste, okay, higher caste, you will find the ratio. Definitely everyone knows who is more educated and who is not, and the reason is only one. The reason is only one. The lower caste always, the upper caste, they have realized to them, you have to work hard in every field, you know, everything, for everything. And all the people who are in upper caste, they are enhancing their knowledge, they are reading, you know, from ancient time they are reading Ved, all the books. That is why they are intellectual, you know, that is why they are intellectual, and still they manage to live in this world. And they are very kind of healthy people, and self-dependent as well. So the thing that I'm telling you is the thing that something machine can do. We don't rely for that thing. We can work smartly, we can work in another part. I'm not telling this that if you know, machine is doing and cooking everything for us, so we have to sleep. No, we will work, but we will work for something else.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so I
And
think we are supposed to stop this recording. Okay.
Okay, yeah,